Yeah, today I want to show you how to pan notes in the piano roll and El Proto. This is all one Pro Studio. I've used FL Studio 20 for this video, but you can still do it in other versions of FL. Yeah, it's a piano roll. Okay, so let's get down to it. So that's just what we want to look at, and we're going to take two parts of it. We're not going to bother about the other parts. So just the same thing twice, 1, 2. Let me remove the other ones. Panning individual notes of the chord is a great thing to do. What comes out when you do this is this kind of space that it gives it. It's like the chord is everywhere. Let's jump into it. So this is what you do when you want to pan the note. Double click, that's double left click, and you come to this pan here, this pan knob here. Let me just take this one to the left, okay? Then remember you have to click accept or just hit enter. So I did the enter on my keyboard there. Next, okay, just pan this to the right. You don't have to do it the way I'm doing it now. You can come up with something great. Maybe as I'm saying it, somebody is having some great idea. So I'm taking this one halfway left, okay, and I'll take this halfway right. That's the last note. We have F, A, C, then F. So the top F is panned hard left. The next one is C, is panned to the right, while the next we have is the A down halfway to the right, and F halfway to the left. Okay, I'm just going to pan this once. Okay, first one, this one all the way to the right. The next one panned all the way to the left. Enter. I'll leave this one in the middle, or let me just pan it slightly to the right. Okay, next, the bottom one, next chord, I'll pan it slightly to the left. Next one, I'll pan it hard right. The next, pan it hard left. So here what comes out. Not panned. Okay, quickly, another way to do this is a very simple way. Let me minimize this. Another way to do this is to come to this arrow here. Go to note pan. Look at them. What we did. If you take this, everything will just move, a particular direction. But if you just put your mouse on the note, this your mouse on the note, hold Alt and move your mouse wheel. So that does the trick. Okay. So remember, if you just come to the line where all the notes are and just move, you move all the notes to a particular direction. Okay. Or I just bring it like this. Somebody's already having ideas, right? Okay, you can use this for something. You already know that. Okay, next I want to show you another thing here. It's called channel panning. This will pan all the notes. This is how you do it. Okay, so up is right, down is left. So you can just do something like this. You can be creative with this. Get what I'm doing and come up with your own stuff. So one need to make it nice a little. So I believe somebody is having some ideas there. So So you can just do that. Okay, so hope you're using good speakers, headphones that use left and right so you can hear this very well. If I pan all of them in one direction, let's just try something. And I come to the notes and move the notes in the other direction. Let's just see what will happen. So it's just in the center. So hope you've gotten a thing or two from this video. We did a video on how to go about velocity, how to change the velocity of individual notes in FL Studio's playlist. That's individual notes of a chord, how to change their velocity. We did a video on that. I'll leave that in the video card. You can check it out. So like the video if you like it. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out when we drop new videos on this channel. I'm El Proto. It's All One Pro Studio. That's it.